Hey crafters, welcome to another G45 video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recreate these 3 stunning gift tags. These are going to be super fun for all your summer projects, beach, vacation, anything you can think of. These are going to be fun for that. And not only that, they're simple to make. So it's going to be a lot of fun. This is a part of our Club G45 Volume 6 series. So if you're just joining us for this video, you're going to want to be sure to pop on over and check out this fun album that we did as well. And if you want to know more about Club G45, just check down in the description below and you're going to find all the information you need. And then you can pop on over to our website, G45papers.com, to pick up one of those kits and go ahead and follow along with us. And we're just going to be creating 3 cute little tags. So I'm going to show you how to recreate one, and then the others, there's directions, step-by-step directions in the project sheet that you can find a link for to print out below in the description of the video. It's got a project sheet for a mini album you can see here, as well as all 3 of these tags, just step-by-step color directions, and so you can go ahead and follow along there, which is where you'll find all the dimensions and everything you need to know. So these ivory tags, if you are a part of Club G45, they're just going to be in your album. You get 6 of those in your album, and we're going to be using 3 of them today to make these gift cards. If you're doing this separately, these also can be sold separately or purchased separately as well, and they're just G45 ivory regular tags. So you can find those on our website or at your local scrapbook store. But we're going to get started. We've already been working with some of these papers in the album, so these are leftover pieces, but if you can also just pick up our patterns and solids and start cutting away, or you can use any G45 collection as well. So to get started, we have taken this beautiful striped paper and we've just trimmed 3 pieces down to 3 7/8, 3 inches by 7/8 and 4 3/4 inches, and I'm just going to go ahead and adhere this to the tag. I want it to be flush with the bottom, so I'm going to use some liquid adhesive, some Tombow, to glue this down. And then you can use a brayer or a bone folder, whatever you've got in your stash, an old gift card to get out any of those air pockets. Great way. And then now I'm just going to flip it over and I'm going to trim off any excess that I might have on my tag. So I did have a little bit left over on the side. And then just go around those corners. So we've got that ready to go. And you'll do, when you're doing the other pieces, you'll just follow the same directions. So the next step we want to do is we want to take our salmon sand dollar paper, coral pink sand dollar paper, and we have cut this down to 3 1/8 by 4 1/8, and we are going to just use that as a nice matting for our ephemera cards. So we're using our sun-kissed ephemera cards. These are 3 by 4 inches, and we're going to be using 3 vertical ones. So when you flip those over, you can see they do have journaling spots on the back side. So I'm going to be using this one for this example, and I'm going to just adhere this right down on top of my solid coral. You know what, just for fun, I'm just going to glue this in a U shape, that way providing a cute little pocket if I do need to use it. You can tuck in if you were using this as a gift tag, you could tuck in a gift card or a little photo or recipe, something fun, a little surprise in there as well. And then this is gonna glue down right on top of our stripes. Hear this? But these tags are also super fun to just add into albums, onto your scrapbook layouts. You know, ideas are endless. And then also to go with it, we're going to be using our die cut tags, or sorry, die cut banner pieces. These have 2 sheets in there. They're double-sided and so many die cut pieces ready to pop out and to be added onto projects. So simply, some of them even have cute little sayings like the one I'm going to be using here. It says, "You are my sunshine." So cute. And that's just going to pop in that bottom right-hand corner, leaving a nice ivory border. And then I've got 3 other little circular pieces that I'm just going to use to add some extra interest into the opposite corner. Could also make this a cute little invite to a summer party. Add your party details down here or on the back side. So cute. And then the last step is we're just going to take some ribbon that coordinates with the collection, and then taking our metal clock keys. I've used one on the cover of our mini album here, but we've got all these other gorgeous keys to use, so I'm going to use one of these big gear keys down at the bottom. And then taking 16 inches or so of ribbon, I'm going to just tie this on. Got it about halfway. Now we can tie it. You can see when Maria created her beautiful sample, she used a nice blue rose green ribbon. So you're welcome to just anything that matches the collection. If you're looking for more fun project ideas, we have more tutorials here on our YouTube channel. We also have printable project sheets on our website, and we send out really great project sheets in our newsletter all the time, so be sure to subscribe to our newsletter down below. It's in the description. And while you're at it, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get all the notifications when we do a collection reveal or other tutorials. But there you have it, an easy, beautiful, sun-kissed gift tag. So be sure to share your projects with us as well using the Graphic45 hashtag. We can't wait to see what you do, and happy paper crafting.